What a great day it is. Now that I've got the Mr. Mensch Show, Little Miss Sunshine Presents Joyful Journeys Volume 2 more DVD, now I can finally watch it. Don't watch it! What? A Roadrunner. I did see a Roadrunner. Yep, that's me. So, Miss Baby Roadrunner, what are you doing here? I just came here to warn you that there was a Sony Pictures Home Entertainment logo on your DVD. If it's scary, trust me. What? Are you warning me about the Sony Pictures Home Entertainment logo, aren't you? Well, yeah. I'll check a look. I'll take a look at it. There's one on the spine, and there's one on the back. I don't know if that's scary. Well, if you think it's scary, why don't you just put the disc in and watch it? Okay. And if you're watching this, please leave a comment below in our channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Just put the freaking disc in. Okay. Let's see how scary this is. Why is it like this? Why is it actually... Oh no! Oh no! What was that sound? Oh no! Ah! I told you...